Hey beautiful queens, welcome back. It's your girl, none other than Nene, and you already know what we're about to do today. So this, let me go ahead and start off saying, is a sponsored video by Sofaj Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending me out this beautiful box braid unit so I can show the queens in the queendom all that you have to offer. So guys, the unit that I'm giving you today is a lace front wig. This is a box braid wig, and I'm so excited to show y'all because this braid wig is definitely going to be different than what I show you on my channel normally. So I'm going to start by unboxing the hair. While I do that, let me go ahead and read you some of the details. So the name of this wig is called Mia. And the links to everything will be in the description so you guys can check her out. But let's just go ahead and look at this lace. Now, this lace came looking like this. I did not have to bleach the knots. It looked like they may have been pre-bleached, but they are done very well. As you can see right through that scalp, which is great quality in braided wigs. Okay, as you can see, it does come with baby hairs that are braided at the front of the unit. Now, these are individual box braids. And here you can see the lace part of the wig and then where it goes into the cap. And it does come with a wig strap embedded inside. Now there's a comb in the nape, and I believe there is one or two on the sides. If not, you still have that wig strand to help you hold the wig in place. Now this unit is made by a 13x4 lace frontal, and it is 28 to 38 inches long. And this is just a natural black color. So I'm going to show you a few more close-ups on the wig, but what we're going to do in this video, you guys, is I'm going to show you how I style and customize this unit so you can do the same whenever you get yours. And as you can see right through that lace. Like, that's literally my hand, you guys. So I started off customizing the unit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to customize it, and then I'm going to come back with my pros and cons. So make sure you guys watch to the end so you can find out if you should purchase this unit or not. And talk about this hair. So like I told you guys, this is from the company Sofaj. I hope I'm saying it right. Sofaj Hair. And this unit is courtesy of them. This is a sponsored video, so thank you so much, Queen, for sending me this unit. Now, I have been communicating with this young lady for some time now, and I was super excited when she wanted me to review a unit for her. And of course, my expectations were very high because I'm looking at her Instagram and social media, which I'll leave below. Hopefully you guys will go and check her out. her pictures speak for herself. So this unit is pretty long. This unit, I would say, is definitely past 20 inches. I would say maybe 24 to 26 inches completely stretched out. Of course, I'll show you guys at the end exactly what it looks like. Well, let's just go ahead and get into the details. So I showed you guys the construction. This is a box braid unit. Now, one thing I will say is that it seemed like they were pre-bleached when I got them. So I'm just going to assume that this unit was pre-bleached, which is great because who wants to have to bleach the lace after you buy a unit? So that was great. And the lace was giving me complete scalp. Now, it did come with a lot of baby hairs, and you guys saw that I did end up cutting those baby hairs off because I just prefer to use my own baby hairs, so I did use my own for this one, but you do get a great amount of baby hairs that you can use if you need them or if you prefer to use them. Now for this unit, the braids are done very, very neatly, and the ends are also feathered, which is great, which makes the actual braids pretty lightweight. I've had a couple braided units done professionally, and they were a lot heavier than this, so I really appreciate that these are lightweight. Now what I also will say, of course I'm going to keep it real with you guys, I do have a few cons. The main one is the cap size. Now you guys know my head is super duper big and I was struggling just a little bit with this unit. Now I won't say that it's exactly completely not big head friendly, but what I will say is that the cap size is very, very secure. Like, this wig is not going nowhere. Like, you could wear this wig, honestly, I would say you could wear it to the amusement park because I don't feel like this wig is going anywhere. But the one thing about the cap size that I wish was a little bit different is these, the side of the lace. So you guys know I have this problem a lot with a lot of different wigs, not just this one, where the lace, it just doesn't go all the way down to my hairline and it kind of flips up. So if I were to really adhere this down, it may be an issue with my head size. Now it does come with a wig strap on the inside, which I do have on, which is why it's so secure. But definitely if you have a head near my size or just big head problems, you may have to ask for it to be customized to be a little bit bigger in the cap size. I'm not sure exactly if this company does do that, but I wouldn't be shocked if they did. So definitely don't let that stop you from purchasing from this company. The customer service was great. And I'm pretty sure if you were to suggest it, she hopefully could make it happen for you since she does create these herself. Now, what I will say about mine is I really do like this unit a lot. I liked it as soon as I got it because the braids were neatly done, and the scalp, like, you could really see that this is blending well with my scalp. Now all I did was add a few bits of my foundation into the parting space, and that was it. So I went ahead and styled this, but of course you can style this any way you want. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna turn around and show you guys the back. And this is what the back is looking like, and this is what it looks like with the hair moved to the side. And I'm gonna stand up for you guys. And this is how long the unit. So you guys, let me know what you think about this unit and the company. Make sure you guys check them out. All the links will be in the description below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.